Hey there everybody, it's Andrew here. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Sunshine Coast here in Australia. Nice day outside. Having said that, we have had a lot of rain lately. Fortunately, it didn't affect me too much, but it has affected a lot of people a little bit south of us. I think there's literally thousands of houses that have been completely um, covered over with water, and I think, unfortunately, I think some people have lost their lives. So it's very sad. But this is quite an important video, I think, that I wanted to share with you today. And I think it's very important. I'm going to sort of give you some home truths. And it's sort of been a realization for me too. So this is not, I'm not sort of pointing the finger at you. It's also made me wake up and realize a few things too. So you want to get online, you want to start an online business. Why not? It's awesome. There's just so many opportunities. It's not hard at all to generate, or replace your income, your existing income. Let's say you're on $50,000, $60,000 a year. I wouldn't. I don't believe it's hard at all to be making $50,000, $60,000 more more per year. But if you're just starting out, it's going to take effort, okay? It's not going to happen by itself. You can't just write in your dream journal, oh, I'm going to be earning $1 million a year by, December 2023. Because if that's all you do, guess what? It's not going to happen. And that's a fact. And it doesn't matter whether it's network marketing. It doesn't matter whether it's affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter whether it's even a bricks and mortar business. I've got a friend who just sold his business for several $1 millions. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it would certainly be very substantial. But he worked his ass off every day for years. And likewise, I've got friends in network marketing. They're very successful. One guy I know, I believe, is earning over $2 million a year, but he's worked his butt off and he's been consistent. He's aligned himself with a fantastic company. That's important. That's important with affiliate marketing too. Make sure you align yourself with a good company, somebody you can trust. And then you got to put the hard yards in. So depending on how quickly you want to get there to that end, that not necessarily that end goal, but that first goal, that that'll be determined by how much effort you put in and how coachable you are. Which leads me to the next thing. You really need to have a coach. Yes, it is possible to start out online and spend very little. But it's going to be very hard, and I think I don't think most people, especially today, I don't think most people are going to make it because there's just so much going on, and there's so much to learn, and it would be so time consuming and almost impossible to learn it by yourself without getting good advice from somebody that can help you. And good advice versus bad advice. Well, I know what I'd rather have good advice. Can you start an online business reasonably cheaply? Of course. Just a few thousand. A few $1,000s. If you want to go and buy a lawn mowing franchise here in Australia, at least, I'm not sure what they're worth, but by the time you buy the vehicle and everything else that goes with it and pay the franchise, you're probably looking at 100 grand. I'm not sure. But with affiliate marketing or it's nowhere near that. The only real outlay I'm talking about is a coach and being a part of a community where community members, you can ask questions and community members can help you. I saw Russell Brunson said something quite interesting in a little meme. He said, don't try to compare yourself to somebody that's 10 years in front of you. That'll be very sort of demoralising. And well, how come Fred, he beat me by 1,000,000 miles? Well, it's because Fred put the effort in initially, and probably still does put in a fair amount of effort, and he's been in the game for 10 years. Can you break through in a couple of years? Absolutely. Can you break through in 6 months? Absolutely. Can you make, let's say, an extra $100 a week, and don't knock that, $100 a week, for 52 weeks, let's say a year, absolutely, that's $5,000. And if you're on $50,000 a year and you're earning an additional $5,000 through your business, online business, well, that's the equivalent to a 5% increase, pay increase. And you're not going to get that from your boss these days. So, but you can if you're consistent, you can expect that $100 to turn into $500, into $2,000, into $10,000 a month, so long as you put in the effort, so long as you're coachable, so long as, and I think it's like I keep harping on about, I think it's so important that you be a part of a good community. But it does come down to work, and it does come down to consistency. So, if you're watching TV 3 hours a day, which some people do, unfortunately, I don't get it, but even if it's just an hour a day, that's 365 hours a year. 365 hours a year, 365 hours divided by 40, let's say 40-hour week, that's the equivalent to 9 weeks at your work. So it's pretty amazing how the hours add up. The secret is to be consistent. I was listening to Dan Lok. You may have heard him. He's a big YouTube influencer. I like him a lot, and he's just reached 8 million followers on social media. Wow, what an effort! But he started his YouTube channel back in 2015, and he was saying I think he said it took 6 months to get 1,000 subscribers. It took a further 18 months to get to 10,000 subscribers, and now look at him now. He's at 4 million subscribers on YouTube. I know other people that have done it faster than that, but they're not business sort of orientated blogs. They're sort of more travel and that sort of thing. So maybe not. That's a little bit easier. I don't know, but yeah, consistency, hard work, dedication, coachable, realistic goals, and absolutely you can have a successful online business. And I think this is what a time to be doing that. The world's gone crazy. So if you're interested in learning more about whom I'm aligned with, I've sort of joined many different programs, quite a few different programs over the years. This is my home. I just love these guys. There's no rah-rah. Anyway, if you want to learn more and you think you want to start an online business, it doesn't matter whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, it doesn't really, local business, these guys can help. It's a couple, they're from Canada. They're both just, I love them. But no point in getting involved unless you're committed and and coachable. So I hope you have an awesome day. I really do hope you got some good tips out of this. I'm just trying to be realistic with you. I'm sending myself a message at the same time when I shoot these types of videos. I'm saying, Andrew, get your shit together. Get outside of your comfort zone. You can do it, or just do it. And I'm sort of passing that message on to you. Just do it, and put the effort in. And if you're a little bit older like I am, look after your health, because it's not as easy. The energy levels just aren't there like they used to be. So it's very important to stay healthy. Well, always, but it's especially important when you're a little bit longer in the tooth, shall I say. Anyway, once again, I hope you have an awesome day. Please subscribe if you like my content. Please share, that'd be awesome. And click the little bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye now.